The Dr. Wax Battle Show. Yeah.
Hey, it's the Doctor. We're here with Big Robert today from North Jersey. Gonna bust a box of Bowman Chrome baseball. What do you say, Robert?
That's great.
Summer's winding down. Back to school soon.
Have no fear, cause the Doctor is here.
Going in 2007 box right now. What are you looking for? Chamberlain?
Yeah, and a list, maybe a list
Have no fear, cause the Doctor is here.
Hat on.
got a checklist, scouting report.
That's a good report. You should read that. You're becoming quite celeb on YouTube, I see.
He's behaving himself, right?
Yeah. Got a Carlos Zambrano base card, an A-Rod card, 278.
Okay. That's a big set for people to put
yeah.
together.
It's 500 cards though, right? For each home run, right?
Yeah, one for each home
Christopher
run.
Cody, Prospect, and Eric Averill.
Let's take a look. I always like the chrome technology.
Yeah.
So does the Pirate. Reminds them of silver doubloons.
We got Chipper Jones, Andrew Jones, Devin, Ivany prospect card, and Vasily Spanos prospect card.
Yeah, the white ones are usually guys that are down in the minors.
Yeah.
Della Betances is also in here, another Yankee prospect pitcher.
Is this okay. Tagato Iguchi, rookie card of Jerry Owens, and Charlene Shoup, and Drew Lodge. Next pack.
Get a lot of glare off these.
Open for maybe a Yankee auto or a nice prospect. Aaron Hill.
I can almost see my reflection in there.
Oh, we got our auto
That's
here.
not good.
Greg Reynolds autograph.
All right.
I'm not sure who
that
he
one.
is. Hope he does good. Ryan Finnan.
Let's take a look. He is the #1 pick
Oh, that's
for
nice.
the Rockies, so that's
Yeah,
that could also be good. Yeah. Let's sleeve that one up.
And Alex Castilla, Matt Lindstrom, Joanne Miranda, Yankee, and Michael McDonald.
All right. They got a lot of rookie sets on.
Yeah.
They're hard to get, the green ones.
We're still hoping for some refractors, I think. You get 4 per box.
Yeah, you should get some, yeah.
Well, we got our first one here. Marcus Giles, refractor.
Okay.
Not numbered. Ubaldo Jimenez, rookie. Cody Ellers, Yankee. Minor. And Woods, fine.
You keep all the Yankees probably, don't you?
Yeah.
You've been doing some trading?
Yeah, sometimes I trade over the YouTube. But I trade on Beckett too.
Okay.
Jake Westbrook, Miguel Cabrera, Cole Caspi, and Cole Bruce.
Now you're leaving your summer house soon.
Yeah.
What are you going to do when you're gone? You're going to be too far from us.
Sometimes I'll come down on the weekends, so.
Now what's the shop that you go to up by you?
It's called Just Rookies. It's
Okay. What town is it in?
Wyckoff. It's in Wyckoff.
Okay. We'll give them a little plug there.
Adrian Beltre, Matt Camp, refractor. Alberto Mastardo. There's a lot of names that are hard to pronounce.
Well, Matt Camp's a good prospect.
Carl Crawford, Cole Hamels, Ryan Rajowski, and Justin Byler.
You gonna put the set together?
I don't know. It depends. Grady Sizemore, Corey Patterson, Cedric Hunter, and Chance Douglas.
Hoping to get that Jabba, huh?
Yeah.
Joba? Is it Joba or Jabba?
I don't know.
He's got a nasty curveball.
I think two more. Oh, here's our third refractor. Troy Glaus.
Okay.
That's nice. Maybe a colored refractor.
Somebody told me he bought a farm in New Jersey.
I don't know.
California. Why the heck would you want to come here?
Derek Lee, Xing Ming Wing, Gregory Porter, and Shore Spoon.
Okay.
Prospect card. Oh.
Very good. Very good. Keep breaking.
It is closed?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, sorry.
A Mitch Mayer rookie card. Jason Schmidt refractor.
Mitch Mayer.
And our two prospect cards. And the Jason Schmidt.
All right. Getting down to the last few, huh?
Yeah.
18-pack box, one
Jason
autograph
Schmidt.
card per box, 4 cards per pack.
Yankee. Two chrome cards. Who are these guys? Anthony Hatch and Scott Shoemaker.
Okay.
It's a weird last name.
So the white ones are all guys that are in the minors that are hoping to make it big.
Ooh, we got a Dice K rookie on top.
Ooh, nice.
And then we got a Juane Miranda X-Fractor Yankee, numbered at a 250. That's nice.
Let's see it. What's a Yankee box?
Yeah. That's nice.
Juan Miranda. Very cool. That one's numbered to 250. Signed as a free agent.
Ooh, we got another refractor. I thought you were only supposed to get 4 per box.
Hey, you might have got an extra. Got the Dice K though, huh?
Yeah, that's nice.
That's probably a real good one because was he in the other Bowman Chrome?
The regular,
The regular Bowman?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Lyle Overbay refractor. Two of these. Checklist. So last 2 packs. It's a pretty good box.
Yeah. Well, for you especially, you got a lot of good Yankee ones.
Yeah. John. Oh,
Always good when
another
you pull the guys that you like.
refractor. A Jonathan Papelbon and a Mark Kotze refractor.
Okay.
Terrence Blunt and Jonathan Ash. Last pack.
This is it.
Let's get a super refractor.
That'd be nice, huh?
Yeah. Okay. We got Ben Sheets, Aramis Ramirez, Steve Singleton, and Reggie Corona.
Another Yankee. Let me see that guy on the bottom.
Reggie Corona? I haven't heard of him.
That was definitely a Yankee box.
Yeah.
Signed as a free agent by the Yanks, so he's probably in the minor league system. I don't know. This stuff looks pretty good. You got a good auto. You got your A-Rod card. You got a Dice K.
The X-Factor.
You got the X-Fractor. Pretty good. What do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
I'll give it a thumbs up.
Double thumbs up?
Yeah.
All right, we got a split. What do you say?
I'm Robert, and I'll see you at the backstop.